Welcome to this guided meditation for anxiety relief called Pebble Dropping. This meditation will help you release your anxiety and find a sense of peace and calm. So please find a comfortable place where you can sit or lie down. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to begin. Take a deep breath in, feeling the air fill your lungs completely. Hold it for a moment, and then exhale slowly, releasing any tension you may be holding on to. So repeat this process a few times. Inhale deeply, hold it, and then exhale slowly. As you continue to breathe deeply, allow your body to relax. Feel your muscles soften and your mind begin to calm. Let go of any thoughts or worries and focus solely on the breath. Now I want you to imagine that you're holding a small pebble right in your hand. This pebble represents your anxiety, all your worries, and any stress you're carrying. Feel the weight of the pebble in your hand. Notice its texture and its size. This pebble holds all the tension and negative energy that you've been feeling for some time. In your mind's eye, visualize a calm, serene lake in front of you. The water is still and clear, reflecting the sky above. The surroundings are peaceful, with gentle sounds of nature providing a soothing backdrop. This lake is your safe space, a place where you can release your anxiety. So take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently drop the pebble into the water. Watch as it falls, creating a small splash and then sinking to the bottom of the lake. Notice the ripples spreading out from where the pebble entered the water. Each ripple carries away a piece of your anxiety, dispersing it into the calmness of the beautiful lake. Focus on the ripples as they move across the surface of the water. With each ripple, feel a sense of relief and calm washing over you. Imagine that each ripple is taking away a bit more of your stress and your worries. As the ripple grows larger and larger, and then gradually fades away, feel your anxiety fading with those ripples. So continue to watch the surface of the lake until it becomes completely still once again. Notice how calm and peaceful it looks now. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with the tranquility of this moment. Hold it for a moment, and then slowly exhale, releasing any remaining tension. Now bring your attention back to yourself. Notice how much lighter you feel, as if a weight has been lifted from your shoulders. Your body feels relaxed, your mind is calm, and you are at peace. Embrace this feeling of lightness and ease, knowing that you've released your anxiety into the lake. So take another deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel a sense of calm and serenity spreading throughout your entire being. So repeat this a few times. Inhale deeply, hold it, and then exhale slowly, each time feeling more relaxed and at ease. Now it's time to slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Begin by gently wiggling your fingers and toes. Feel the surface beneath you and become aware of your surroundings. And when you're ready, open your eyes now. Take a moment to notice how you feel. And remember that you can return to this lake and release your anxieties whenever you need to. Simply close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and visualize the pebble and the calm lake once again. Good work today, and namaste.